state, with rivers that glitter and hills so great. A diamond hides in the earth's embrace. Arkansas calls, let's explore its face. In Little Rock, the river sways. The Arkansas whispers its watery waves. Magnolias bloom like a dancer's spin, with petals like clouds on a soft, warm wind. And the mockingbird sings, oh clever and sweet, a tune that echoes through every street. Sing, sing across Arkansas, where the Ozarks rise and the pine trees saw. From hot springs' warmth to the delta's clay, Arkansas shines in a dazzling way. In Fayetteville, the hills roll green, like emerald waves in a peaceful dream. The apple blossom is a snowy spray, a fragrant shout of the coming May. And crater of diamonds we dig and find, gems of the earth like stars confined. Sing, sing across Arkansas, where the Ouachitas hum and the eagles call. From the Buffalo River to the delta's play, Arkansas glows in the light of day. Oh, the delta stretches with fields so wide, where sunsets spill like a painter's pride. Pinnacle Mountain stands so tall, guarding the heart of it all. In Eureka Springs, the springs still flow, like whispers of secrets from long ago. The Ozarks hum with the timeless beat, nature's orchestra wild and sweet. The mockingbird twirls in a cedar tree, singing the song of Arkansas free. Sing, sing across Arkansas, where the Ozarks rise and the pine trees saw. From hot springs' warmth to the delta's clay, Arkansas glows in the light of day. So come and roam through this wondrous land, with rivers, hills, and diamonds in hand. Arkansas waits with an open door, a state of beauty to love and explore.